Hi, welcome back to our weekly video series showing you some of the latest additions to our products, all based on customer feedback. And today we are going to talk about the new feature structured outlines in plots of rectilinear datasets. We have already introduced the structured outlines in the Finite Element IDEs a couple of weeks ago, and the structured outlines in the Finite Difference IDE is just a bit different because there is no domain concept in it. However, the detailed calculations and algorithms are transparent to the end users, and there is only one extra step to get the structure superimposed with the field plots. Say for example, here I have a waveguide crossing example already run, and I plot the E field from the field monitor. Now if I add the plot, you can see that here I have the option to include the contour into the E field, but the structure outline doesn't come naturally with it, so the superimpose structure option is grayed out. And in order to plot the structure outline on top of the field plot, I have to add the grid result into the same visualizer. So now the superimpose structure option is enabled, and if I check the superimpose structure option, zoom in the plot a little bit, we can see that the structure outline is imposed with the E field. Users can also use the structure contour feature the same way as in the finite element IDEs by providing the contour magnitude levels. And if you provide multi-levels, they need to be separated by comma. And that's pretty much it for this week. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for our video next week.